The forecast calls for rain, so we wait for it like we wait for a loved one to come home to us. Baptiste, what do you think of them? So, the thing about rain boots is that you don't need to wear them in the rain. I mean, so rude. As I was saying, the thing about rain boots is you don't need to wear them in the rain. However, it's the most fun to wear them in the rain. That is what I intend to do. So, boots are on, raincoat is zipped, hair is rained on. We're ready. Come on. Come on, come on, come on.